Imagine a device that feels like it arrived from 10 years in the future. For the longest time, the entire tech world believed that power had to come with size. Every year, phones became larger, tablets became heavier, and laptops tried to become thinner while still carrying giant batteries and cooling systems. But hidden behind the glass walls of Apple Park, engineers were chasing a completely different vision. They wanted to create something that could destroy the boundary between portability and professional performance. Something impossibly small, yet unbelievably powerful. That vision has finally become real with the iPad Mini 8. This is not just another yearly refresh. This is a technological statement, a device so advanced that it completely changes what we expect from compact computing. If you have ever dreamed of carrying a true workstation in one hand, your wait is finally over. For years, fans of the Mini lineup felt ignored. Bigger iPads received the premium features, while the Mini stayed trapped in the shadows with smaller upgrades and outdated technology. People wanted more than just portability. They wanted a compact tablet that could truly compete with professional machines. Now Apple has answered in the most aggressive way possible. The iPad Mini 8 arrives with hardware that sounds almost impossible on paper. At the center of this revolution is the new A19 Pro chip, built on a groundbreaking 2-nanometer architecture. This tiny silicon monster changes everything because it solves the one problem that has always limited compact devices: heat. Normally, when you increase performance, temperatures skyrocket and the system slows itself down. That bottleneck has haunted small tablets for years. But Apple's latest engineering breakthrough allows the Mini 8 to deliver desktop-class power without turning into a furnace. The results are honestly terrifying for the competition. The A19 Pro chip delivers graphics performance that rivals gaming consoles while sitting inside a device smaller than most notebooks. The 10-core GPU introduces hardware-accelerated ray tracing that transforms mobile gaming into something cinematic. Shadows react naturally. Reflections look realistic. Lighting feels alive. Games no longer look like mobile games. They look like full console experiences running in the palm of your hand. But gaming is only the beginning. The iPad Mini 8 is designed for creators, developers, editors, and professionals who demand serious performance everywhere they go. Imagine editing multiple streams of 8K ProRes footage while sitting in a coffee shop. Imagine generating AI content directly on device without internet access. Imagine building applications, rendering graphics, and multitasking across professional workflows while holding a tablet lighter than a paperback novel. That is the future Apple is selling here. The neural engine inside the A19 Pro is equally mind-blowing. Apple Intelligence 2 reportedly runs fully on device with almost zero delay. No cloud dependency. No waiting for servers. No privacy concerns about your personal data leaving the tablet. Everything happens instantly and locally. Voice commands respond in real time. AI-assisted editing feels immediate. Language translation becomes seamless. The Mini 8 is not just fast, it feels alive. Every interaction appears effortless because the machine can predict and process tasks before you even notice them happening. Then comes the display, which may be the biggest upgrade of all. Longtime Mini users know the pain of jelly scrolling, the strange lag effect that made the display feel cheaper than Apple's premium products. Apple finally destroyed that problem forever. The iPad Mini 8 features an Ultra Retina XDR OLED display using the same tandem OLED technology introduced in the M4 iPad Pro lineup. The difference is staggering. Blacks are perfectly deep. Colors explode with intensity. HDR content reaches a peak brightness of 1600 nits, making outdoor visibility incredible even under direct sunlight. Combined with a silky smooth 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate, everything feels impossibly fluid. Scrolling through apps feels like touching liquid glass. Watching movies becomes immersive enough to rival dedicated televisions. Reading at night feels natural and comfortable on the eyes. Apple also rebuilt the internal architecture from the ground up. Reports suggest a new vapor chamber cooling system hidden beneath the chassis, allowing the tablet to sustain high performance for much longer than previous generations. Battery efficiency has reportedly improved dramatically despite the massive power increase. There are even rumors of upgraded magnetic accessories that transform the Mini into a compact productivity machine capable of replacing laptops for many users. Suddenly, the iPad Air starts looking unnecessary. Why carry a larger device when the Mini 8 delivers nearly identical power in a body that disappears into your everyday life? This is why the iPad Mini 8 matters so much. It is not simply a smaller tablet. It represents a complete shift in how we think about computing. The future is no longer tied to giant machines sitting on desks. The future is portable, intelligent, and always within reach. Apple has taken the most underestimated product in its lineup and transformed it into one of the most dangerous devices the tech industry has ever seen.